Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Goa to host National Games in 2016. Centre to fund 100-250 crores. State share 300 to 350 crores. Game plans before 2017 Assembly poll. Ore exporter Goa turns importer. African and Australian countries capture China's market. Goa's 3 steel units import 54,000 tons of 64 grade iron ore from Africa. Government to hand over 10 to 11 grounds to GCA as it owes 10 crores to GCA. In return, GCA demands grounds, only cricket to be allowed on grounds in GCA's control. Subsidized bus fares deepens KTC's crisis. Employees demand 60 crores annual subsidy. Want government to make budget provision. If not, threaten strike. And deaths in Pali while pouring not due to diarrhea. One died due to excess intake of alcohol. Another suffered from TB. Other medical tests negative. Water not contaminated. Now the news in detail. Goa government will get 100 to 150 crores from the centre to host national games in November 2016. Remaining cost of almost 300 to 350 crores will have to be spent by the state government. Government has also decided to cut down cost on the hospitality of the players. Government wants to host national games before the 2017 Assembly Elections Code of Conduct comes into force. Watch this report.
To take review of National Games, meeting of the Sports Authority of Goa with Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar, Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar and financial officers was held on Sunday at Secretariat in Porvorim. Sources said that Goa government has decided to host National Games between November 5th to 19 November 2016. After that, Election Code of Conduct will come into force for the General Assembly Elections 2017. Government plans to develop infrastructure for the National Games. For the hospitality of athletes and others, government will have housing projects. These flats later will be leased to certain categories of people under housing scheme. Government has identified land at Kolwale in Bardes. This will reduce the cost on the infrastructure. Government is also planning for a new stadium to host national games. The athletic track at Bambuli Stadium, running track and indoor stadium at Pede Mapsa, Indoor Stadium at Talegaon Plateau and Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium at Fatodda will be refurbished for the National Games. Goa government has estimated expenditure of nearly 450 crores for the National Games. Centre will provide nearly 100 to 150 crores to the state government. Remaining cost of 300 to 350 crores will be borne by the Goa government. Last year in 2013-14, government had spent nearly 216 crores for Lusophonia Games infrastructure. Reporter Mahesh Khadi with Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Exporter of iron ore, Goa has now become an importer. After ban on mining in Goa, China's ore market was captured by African and Australian countries and now Goa too imports iron ore. Delay in mining resumption has forced the steel companies to import iron ore from the foreign countries for their survival. Nearly 54,000 tons of 64 grade iron ore was imported from African country. Goa Carbon, Ambe Metallic and Sharda Ispat together imported iron ore for the production of steel.
Goa was a leading exporter of iron ore to the foreign countries. After ban on mining by the state, central government and the Supreme Court, export of iron ore was stopped. Goan ore was largely exported to China market. After ban on mining in Goa, China's ore market has been captured by African and Australian countries. Now same countries have entered the Goan market. Goa has also started importing iron ore from the African countries. Steel and metal production industries have imported nearly 54,000 tons of 64 grade iron ore from African country. Goa Carbon, Ambe Metallic and Sharda Ispat imported iron ore at the cost of $84 per ton. A vessel Hanjin Sito from Africa reached at Murgaon port on 13 March 2015. Earlier, these same industries were using 60 grade Goan iron ore. But due to ban on mining, production of steel and metal industries has been badly affected. In 2014 to 2015, other states in India too imported 20 million tons of iron ore from the other countries.
गोंयचे आमचे स्पॉन्ज आयन प्लांटवाले आहा पळय आनी स्टील प्लांट आहा तांच्यांनी आतां इम्पोर्ट केला आयन ओर तांचे प्लांट चलोवपाक कारण की अवेलेबिलिटीची परिस्थिती जाल्या सारकी वायट आनी ताका लागून आतां आफ्रिकाच्यान एक वेसल ऑलरेडी पावला गोंयांत आनी फुडें येतले जे आमी गोंयच्यान एक्सपोर्ट करताले पळय आयन ओर ते आतां इम्पोर्ट करपाक पावले आमी असले दीस आयले आमी विचार करूंक जाय कितके दीस आमी ही इंडस्ट्री बंद दवरतले.
The delay in mining resumption has forced the steel and metal companies to import iron ore. From last 2.5 years, Goan mining industry has come to a halt. Uncertainty over the resumption of mining production of steel industries has dropped in the state severely, affecting mining dependence and the state economy. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
Death of two patients in Pali in Walpoi was not due to diarrhea. Medical reports of the two deceased patients has revealed that one male patient died due to excess intake of alcohol and another female due to tuberculosis. Team of doctors confirmed that water was not contaminated. Doctors have also reported that tests of malaria and cholera conducted on the patients gave negative inferences. Sources informed that one female patient is suspected of dengue, but her condition is improving. Though not dangerous, doctors are suspecting influenza B virus. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.